So first of all, I'm going to take the negative 300 and get it out of the woods by adding 360 to it. And I end up with a 60 degrees. 60 degrees is coterminal with negative 300. It means they end up in the same place. It's kind of like if I went home, if I went down to Ballantyne and I took Ray Road and you took Providence Road, we still end up at the same place in Ballantyne. Maybe at different times, depending on traffic, but we're still at the same place, but we went different ways. So this angle, negative 300, is the same thing as a 60-degree angle in the end. It's not the same thing, but it is in the end. Okay? So I want the cosecant of 60. So first I look for the sine, because sine is the guy that goes with the cosecant. And how do we remember this? The c goes with the s, so cosine goes with secant. And the s goes with the c, so sine goes with cosecant. And tangent goes with the guy with the tangent in it, which is cotangent. Got it? He's the only one that makes sense to me. If I were to redo this, I would put the c with the c and the s with the s. But anyway, that's not the way it is. So now I flip the sine of 60 upside down to get the cosecant of 60. And then I've got to rationalize it by root 3 over root 3. And the cosecant of 60 is 2 root 3 over 3. And it's positive because the sine of 60 was positive. So you're just flipping that guy upside down. Okay. Flipping necessary. So get negative 750 out of the woods. What do you get?
330.
330. And does that make sense? It's in that quadrant, right?
Yeah.
So they want the cotangent of 330. What is the tangent of 330?
Negative square root of 3 over 3.
And what is the reciprocal of negative square root of 3 over 3?
Negative square root of 3.
Negative square root of 3. Now let's show you why. You get 3 over root 3 negative, multiplied by root 3 over root 3. And you get negative 3 root 3 over 3. The 3's bite the dust, and it's negative root 3. But you don't have to do that every time. That's the answer. Reciprocal of root 2 over 2.
Negative square root 2. Square root 2.
It's going to be 2 over root 2.
It's not going to be negative.
Not this one won't be negative. It's positive, it's positive, it's negative.
Wait, so the answer to 23 was square root of 3?
Yes, negative, I think.
Yeah. Or negative.
And this is 2. These go away. The reciprocal of root 2 over 2 is root 2.
Right, so why